Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll walk you through how to check print history on Windows 10 so you can review past print jobs directly from your system. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This opens the main menu where you can access system tools and built-in Windows utilities. Step 2. Type Event Viewer and open it from the search results. Event Viewer is a Windows tool that records detailed system activities, including printing events. Step 3. Click on Applications and Services Logs from the left panel. This section contains logs for different Windows services and background processes. Step 4. Click on Microsoft, then Windows, and then Print Service. This path leads you to the specific logs that store information related to printer activity. Step 5. Click on Operational to view the print history details. Here, you can see records of printed documents, including time and status information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials.